CapCut versus Filmora. Which is the best editing tool for beginners? I'm going to tell you whether CapCut or Filmora is the best editing tool for beginners. CapCut is a free mobile-friendly editor with intuitive features, making it ideal for quick edits, social media content, and those just starting out. It offers a single interface, built-in effects, and AI tools to speed up editing. However, it lacks some advanced features and professional grade customization. Filmora, on the other hand, is a paid software with a more refined editing experience. It provides more advanced tools, better effects, and higher quality exports, making it suitable for those looking to step up their editing skills. While it has a learning curve, its a drag and drop interface keeps it beginner friendly. If you need a free, easy to use editor for short form videos, CapCut is a great choice. But if you're willing to invest in more features and professional quality edits, Filmora is the better option.